Hey everyone, today I'd like to invite you to cook, clean, and eat with me. For breakfast, I decided to make myself a ricotta and tomato toast. I toasted up a piece of sourdough bread and spread it with plenty of grass-fed butter. Then I spread some ricotta cheese on top and sprinkled it with black pepper and salt. And I also drizzled some extra virgin olive oil on top. I saw this lovely heirloom tomato at the grocery store and I just had to have it, and I sliced that up and put it on top of the ricotta. And then of course I had to top it with more black pepper and salt. I fried up an egg just to increase the protein in this meal. And then, of course, I had to have a matcha latte. I start my day with a matcha latte 9 times out of 10. I like to add a little bit of pure vanilla extract to my matcha latte. And just a bit of maple syrup. I attempted to make some beautiful latte art, but today it just wasn't happening. So that was my breakfast, and it was delicious. I had to show you guys a little slow-mo egg yolk action here. I decided to have sourdough pizza for supper, so of course I needed to get that going earlier in the day because sourdough takes a long time to ferment. I mixed together flour, water, and sourdough starter and then let that sit for about 30 minutes to autolyse. Meanwhile, I decided to give the kitchen a tidy. Let me know in the comments, which do you like less, unloading or loading the dishwasher? I personally prefer loading it back up because then you just get a beautiful clean counter when you're done. I don't always remember to do this, but it's really nice if you clean up all the crumbs after you wash dishes and then you have a beautiful clean sink. After the first stage of the sourdough pizza dough sat for 30 minutes, I added some water, salt, and extra virgin olive oil and gave it a few stretch and folds. Then I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I like to oil cleanse first and then either wash my face with a warm washcloth or with a makeup remover. Then I made my bed and did my hair. I like to do my hair in 2 Dutch braids in the winter because my hair tends to get frizzy and this just keeps it in place. And I finished off my skincare routine with a toner, serum, and moisturizer. I performed 3 more stretch and fold sequences on the pizza dough, about 30 minutes to an hour between each stretch and fold. For lunch, I had some leftover grocery store sushi. It wasn't super amazing, so I put some sriracha mayo on top. And I had this delicious peach kombucha from Forager as well. I also took my cod liver oil and vitamin D K2 drops. At around 3 in the afternoon, I shaped the pizza dough out into the pizza crusts. After I let them rise for about an hour, I par-baked them in the oven. The challenge with sourdough is that sometimes the dough doesn't get cooked all the way through before it gets burnt on the bottom, so I wanted to give it a head start. I found these truffles at a store and I really wanted to try them out because I love truffle flavor, but I was kind of disappointed the truffle flavor didn't really come through in the pizza. I also prepped my other ingredients, and here they are laid out on the cutting board. I made a pepperoni, black olive, and red bell pepper pizza, and a ricotta, bacon, truffle, tomato pizza. Here's the plate that Ruben dished up for me, but I was only able to eat about 2.5 of these slices before I got full. For dessert, I decided to have a glass of cold milk and a chocolate cupcake. Now, I was only able to eat about, I don't know, like 2/3 of this before I got full, and then I had Ruben eat the rest. It's really handy to have a guy that can finish off your food when you get too full. I finished off my day with some red light therapy and a bath. It's kind of my Tuesday night tradition to have a snack and a bath. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed cooking, cleaning, and eating with me. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.